Okay, so now that we've got WordPress installed, the first thing we're going to do is delete the demo content before we start adding our own. To do this, we just need to click our site title in the top left to go back to our dashboard. And then if we click where it says Pages on the left, this is going to show us any pages we have on our site, which at the moment is just this demo page. So to delete this demo page, we're just going to hover our mouse over the page title and then click Trash. Then we're going to do the same thing for a demo blog post, only instead of pages on the left, we're going to click Posts. Then we can just hover our mouse over the post title and click Trash to delete it. And then finally, we're just going to delete a few plugins as well. So on the left hand side, we can click where it says Plugins, and that's going to show us any plugins we have installed. Just to quickly explain what they are, plugins are basically like extensions or add-ons for WordPress that let us add extra functionality to our site that WordPress doesn't come with by default. So that's things like contact forms and social share buttons. We're going to come back and cover how to use plugins later, but for now we're just going to remove the ones that came pre-installed. To do this, we just need to check this box at the top to select all of the plugins in the list. Then click where it says Bulk Actions and change this to Deactivate. Now if we click Apply, WordPress is going to deactivate all of the active plugins. Then once they've been deactivated, we're just going to check the same box again, click where it says Bulk Actions, and instead of Deactivate, we're going to choose Delete. Then if we click the Apply button, it's going to ask us if we're sure, and when we click OK, WordPress is going to remove all of the plugins from our site. And now that we've deleted the demo content and removed all of the pre-installed plugins, our WordPress site is now completely empty and ready for us to start customizing.